Hello friends, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Queen. You're watching Queen Varieties channel. Today you will learn how to make the tastiest pizza sauce recipe. Very rich, flavorful and super delicious. This will not turn your pizza in a soggy outcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share my video with your friends and loved ones. For the ingredients, you will need the items I have placed on my work surface. Kindly check the description section for details and lists. I have here a combination of spring onions, some onions of different colors, bell peppers, ginger, garlic. Yes, so the items you use is up to you. Please use items that you prefer. Next, I will introduce the fresh tomatoes and paprika. To infuse a unique taste and flavor to this sauce, you will need these fresh herbs. I have here basil, rosemary, thyme, and fresh parsley with yellow pepper. Also, for the tomatoes, I'm going to divide them into two sections and eliminate the seeds. The same thing you have to do for the red bell pepper and the paprika. Divide into two sections and remove the seeds. That way, your sauce is not going to turn out bitter or sour in taste. Once completed, this is what you're going to have. Everything looks incredibly beautiful and ready to use. Now let me remind you that you must wash all ingredients before you use them, because mine has been properly washed and cleansed. I'll throw every ingredient into the blender, the tomatoes and the bell peppers. You're not going to add any drop of water into it. Transfer it to the blender area and have it crushed down. The tomato will release its juice, and that juice is what we are going to use to blend the remaining items. So make no mistake, do not add water into the items here. So once the tomato has crushed down completely, I will now include the herbs and also go ahead and add the other ingredients. Have everything completely blended before we go over to the next step. Blending process is done, and guys, this sauce here, it smells incredibly awesome. The aroma zooming from this is so unique and beautiful. Mix and combine it. You can see how beautiful that color is. Then I'll cover this, allow it to cook down for exactly 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so 10 to 15 minutes later, look at what we have here. If you like a running sauce or something that is not too thick, then you can go for this and then stop cooking. But instead, I'll cover it and cook for extra 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, you can see we have a thickened sauce. There is no liquid. This is exactly what you want to have at this point in time. Create a hole in the middle of the pot and then pour in half cup of oil and then add seasoning cubes of your choice. You can use chicken. I'm using Knorr cubes. Then I will include spices of paprika, coriander, cumin, and also oregano. Add any spices of your own preference. Include salt to taste. Mix and combine. And here you're going to cook for extra 5 minutes after mixing it. Okay friends, so after mixing the sauce, this is what you're going to have, a very thickened paste. Now you're not going to be scared of a pizza sauce that is going to turn your pizza soggy. This will be very perfect to be laid on your pizza. Cook for extra 5 minutes. Subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. This sauce can last up to 3 months, 6 months to 1 year if stored frozen or in the fridge for at least 2 weeks or thereabouts. Now you will always have this ready each time you want to use it. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll be drawing down the curtain right now. Subscribe, share my video with your friends and all now.